Do you know there is a very important event in the month of June? Well, you have guessed it very right. This is the Father's Day, which is celebrated on third Sunday of June every year across the world. Well, being daughter or son, we don't need any specific day to show our love, affection, respect to this most important person in our life. But due to pandemic, this event has gathered lot of popularity, and schools are also celebrating across the world. And here are 5 activities I'm going to show which you can do with your fathers, and here are they. Let's watch. Hello and welcome. This is Shumita Paul welcomes you in my channel Green Sprouts with Shumita. In this channel I share trivia, information and activities for children, parents and teachers. So now is the trivia time. Father's Day is very popular and it is also celebrated as national event in United States of America, in United Kingdom and also Canada. And in some places like Spain, Australia, Singapore, Lithuania, it is celebrated on third Sunday of June every year as Parents' Day. Well, there are different school of thoughts claiming that they have introduced Father's Day. They have coined first Father's Day, but the key figure in establishing the Father's Day, Mrs. Sonora Smart Daunt, who's been reared along with her siblings by his father single-handedly. To tribute her father's sacrifices on 5th of June as Father's Day, but Father's Day was made official in 1972 by then President Nixon. Now our first activity starts card making, the age-old tradition. You can always make beautiful cards for your father and he will be so happy to receive these cards, and it's also very easy to make. Here are a few cards which my daughters have made. Happy Mother's Day, which you can change to Father's Day. This is very beautiful card, and this is you can make as father's book. You can write some beautiful quotations for your father, and there is also one mini envelope is there where you can insert some secret message for your father. And if you want to learn this activity, you can please write in my comment box. This is another badge. You can make again hand painted cards, beautiful. So this, please write in my comment box. Absolutely wonderful. Here comes the second activity, work out together. Well, in this unprecedented situation, exercise has become our integral part, and it will be very interesting if father and their children together doing the exercise. Now comes our third activity, explore the artist together. Now in this you can always do recitation, you can dance together with your father and can exercise puzzle, solving puzzles. Storytelling can be also very interesting activity. And here comes also most interesting, fourth activity, DIY. Utility items for your father. You can make chocolate box, pen stand. These are very simple, easy to make with jute yarns, ice cream sticks. This is origami. Again, badge. It's very easy. If you want to learn, you can write in my comment box, then I'll prepare it for you. It's tabletop, paperweight, you can say. It's again beautiful packaging for chocolate, photo albums, different ideas, and you can all make together. And this is also very interesting and catching up. It's a flower plant. You can give it to your father with some secret message. You can write on the envelope. Again, jute yarn pen stand I have made, and this I was having a empty box on which, with the help of fabric paint, I have done it. So this way also you can make your own chocolate box for your father and simply write. You can write anything. This is also very interesting. You can also use the origami box which I have made in my earlier video. You can have a look at that also as a chocolate box. Here comes our last but not the least, fifth activity, the chef in you and me. Now it is always fun to do anything with your loved one, your father can help. And this is a special dish, a starter you can say, and very easy to make. Just take chicken, pieces of chicken, just add lemon and ground the chili and add this grounded chili to the chicken. I have already done it, that is why. Then you can add salt. Yes, salt I have already poured, that is why I am just showing it. Add salt. You can add black pepper. You can also add garlic to it. I am adding black pepper now, and now I will mix it. It's again I am saying, yes, mix it properly. It's very easy. And those who cannot, corn flour I am adding now, and those who don't eat chicken, they can always do it with, replace it with paneer. So I am dipping it on corn flour. First I am dipping it in egg, then corn flour and little bit of sesame. I'm wrapping it with corn flour and just sesame, that is white pill. It's a beautiful starter. So while you can accompany your father, both together can participate and do this activity. Nowadays across the world, people are enjoying doing all kinds of activities, so cooking is one of them. So this chicken is getting ready. Marinate the chicken for 1 hour so that all the ingredients get inside the chicken. It's almost done, and nowadays cooking is becoming a very good pastime, and children, parents all love it very much. So it is a very good activity and fun doing things together, and this can be used as starter, and with this you can do other activities as well. So chicken dipped in sesame is ready. Just put some chaat masala and it's absolutely ready to eat. Well, all this interests you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with many more trivias, informations and activities. Till then, stay blessed, stay new, and do lot of activities and make the event Father's Day memorable for you and your father.